M35 behind me. As you see, I'm holding it with a stick. See that? Embarrassing. Just in case anybody wanted to know how to install those, let's do this. All you will need is a skinny flathead. Easy. Let me show you, man. Make sure you have something holding the hood, because you don't want this shit to fall. This holding the hood. And these are shot, man. So soon I remove this shit drops. Boom! You want that shit hit your head, yo. So all you gotta do is take this right here, get your flathead, put it in here. Boom. Back this out. That. And pop it off. Oh shit, see? Make sure you don't go back. I mean, you don't need this, so take this off. This whole thing off. The bottom one too. This one at the bottom. Take that off too. Okay, both is out. Be careful, this hood. Make sure it's secured. You don't want this shit fall on your head. Now pop this out. Boom. Bottom one too. There you go. There's the old one in with the new. Right here. Boom. Okay, with the new one, back it out a little bit with your flathead, both sides. Boom. Slap it on the circle. Okay. Slap it on there. Like so. One. And you might have to raise the hood a little bit more up because it's not reaching. Let's raise it up. Okay. Boom. And all you do is slide this in. Like that. Snap. And snap. Just like that. Okay. Let's do the other side. Same way. Same process. Just take these things out. You don't need it. Boom. And let's take this out. Yeah. Take this out. Boom. Like this. Knock it out. Boom. Back this out. Boom, boom. Put it back in there. Like so. Boom. And boom. Then 7 in. That one. And boom. Now you can open it. Boom. Don't need no more stick. That was a quick video how to replace both hood shocks. So if you have any questions, comment below. On your Instagram, Drew's Mechanics. And don't forget to give me a like if that helped you out. And subscribe. Later.